Hi, this is Kel from Trade with the Boys. Now, yesterday, many people profited from the Dow Jones. I'm very certain of that because I have people texting me on the side. They make between thousands of dollars to tens of thousands. As a matter of fact, I know someone made 48,000 Singapore dollars in a single night itself. So what happened was the Dow Jones rallied 1,000 points. Now, in all honesty, I did not expect a 1,000-point rally. I did expect a 700-point rally. Okay, so basically it locked in the biggest single day point gain ever. Now, there were many reasons why the Dow Jones basically went up, but of course, the primary reason was oversold. That's it, blatantly oversold. Now, the question will be, will the Dow Jones be able to continue this rally? Seriously, we are not too sure because the market went up basically was more on a very technical rebound. Even Nasdaq went up by 5.84%. So look at the chart now. This is S&P chart. Remember I told you 2352 is a very important level, and the market basically tested it yesterday and went all the way up. But the problem is it failed to cross 24.99. So in my opinion, if the market can't go above 24.99 and goes below 24.25, the market will pull back again. I repeat this, the market might likely pull back again. So you put it into the Dow Jones, it's much easier. Remember I told you 21.560. Yes, 21.560 is a very critical level, which the market purposely tested in the morning, and then the market surged all the way up for a 1,000-point rally. And I mentioned before this important figure, 22,908, right? If the market basically now can't go past 22,908, that means the bear market condition is still in place. Really. So this morning you can see it purposely tested up this 22,908 and pull back right now. So we are now basically about nearly 200 points away from this 22,908, and if the market continue to sell off due to profit taking, or if this is just a relief rally, this is going to be a very painful for a lot of traders. So you look at what happened yesterday on the PSV3 chart. This is what happened now. The market basically yesterday went down first and then touches the 21,560 level, very important level. It touches there a few times. All these are mathematics figures which we calculated long ago, and you can see the KSI turned green at this very stage here. So the KSI turned green when the market was down, right? Meaning the boys was buying, absorbing, and going for the big one. So when the color changed from the red to yellow, this is whereby the buying intensified. Okay, so you can see from right here the Dow Jones went up almost 460 points. Brilliant, right? Then after that it pulls back down. Now this pivot belongs to today, so we can use this guy to verify. But what happened, you can see the boys came in to buy again. KSI turned green again, CCRY red to yellow, big movement. From this very spot the Dow Jones rally all the way by 1,000 points. Yes, 1,000 points from this very moment. Oh my goodness, incredible run, okay, in just matter of few hours. So now today, what are we seeing now? Okay, remember I told you about this level of this 22,908. Remember? Yes. So what happened? Let's take a look now. The Dow Jones basically went past it earlier. Just now there was sudden gush up movement. I'm not too sure what happened, but to me it could be program trading, and likely stops was being triggered right over here. You can see where stop was triggered. So now with a big sell-off like this, immediately this doesn't look good. It really doesn't look good. So if we look at it closer, okay, the Dow Jones now could be heading lower level range. Okay, if the Dow Jones had to come down, it might be testing 22.55.4. Okay, it could be going there. And if the market goes a little bit more scarier, you can go to all these figures. Okay, I don't know where it'll be going, but I'm just being cautious to the wind, because if you look at Hang Seng today, all right, you can see Hang Seng, it gap up. Okay, it gap up, and almost instantly after that you can see the boys came in to sell big time, and the Hang Seng, not only it covered the gap, okay, the gap this morning, it went lower and closed near to the lower side, so down more than 500 points on a day whereby the Dow Jones went up 1,000 points. So this is very bearish. Okay, this is a very bearish effect. And if you look at the dollar yen now, even the dollar yen is not showing any strength as compared to yesterday. So whatever gains now seemingly is going backward. So if this is to continue, I'm quite certain to tell you that the Dow Jones might see a potential 300 to 500 points pullback in the coming days. All right, so traders, be careful. This is Kel signing off.